Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So guys, I'm so excited to share this video with you guys. I'm going to show you guys different ways I was able to style this beautiful headband wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to style this beautiful headband wig. I'm absolutely loving the headband wig because it's so easy to install. You don't need to lose all your edges using glue to lay your lace, you know. You just put it on and then off you go. You can change the hairband, you can use different styles, different colors, and you are good to go. This wig is from Asteria hair company. I'm going to put all the hair specs, the link, and everything that has to do with the wig, the headbands, in the description box below. And one thing I'm just going to point out is that when you put on the wig, you make sure you put on the clips very well. As you can see, I was able to do a top bun with this wig because I made sure to put on the clips very well. When you put on the clips, it's going to be very secured, you know, and you can do a top knot bun like this if you want. I'm really excited about this video. Now let's just jump into the tutorial. Hi guys, so guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging looks like. As you guys can see, it came through DHL, so it was really fast. As you guys can see, it came with this hair bands. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the wig. As you guys can see, the coils are actually popping. They're so beautiful. So right here, I'm just gonna do like a very simple braiding pattern. So once I'm done with braiding my hair, I'm just going to brush my hair in front, and I'm going to go ahead and spray a little bit of water on it, and then I will apply my Eco Styler gel, and then I'll brush as I apply the gel as well. After that, I'm going to go ahead and tie a scarf on my hair, and then I'll go ahead and do my makeup. So I'm done doing my makeup. I've taken off the scarf. I'm going to go ahead and put on the wig. So as you guys can see, as I'm putting on the wig, I'm making sure to clip in the wig very well. That will come in handy if you decide to put the wig in a bun or a ponytail. So it's very important to just clip it on very well at the back. And on the front as well. Then after clipping the wig, I'm going to just push it back a little bit. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and put this first hairband. And I'm going to go ahead and style it just a little bit. And you guys can see this is what it looks like. Absolutely beautiful. I really love this wig. The coils are amazing. So right here I'm gonna do another style. You know, the great thing about this wig is you can style it so many different ways. I'm gonna do another style. So you can just leave it like this if you want. If you don't want to leave it like this, you can just go ahead and put it into a bun like so. And this is what it looks like when you put it into a bun. Very, very nice. Right here I decided to change the band and I'm gonna style it differently. So you can also wear it like this if you. And I'm gonna put all into a bun and you guys can see what it looks like. Absolutely beautiful. So right here I'm putting it in the top knot bun. So that's why it's very important to clip in the wig very, very well. And this is what it looks like. Absolutely beautiful. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and tie another scarf on it, and that is what it's gonna be, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I absolutely love this wig. It's so versatile. Thank you for your love and your support, and I will see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.